You have to go to the something you can just put in depends on your PD. I go by
But
PD.
no,
You
Jay.
can put in your electoral office, and if your name start with depends on the it card from the capital of your name.
Okay.
There's a number.
All you have
Is
to
somebody
do,
has
you
Type
an
it in the chat,
ID?
Marcia. You want to type it
hold
in the chat
on,
for them?
hold on. Go on the
Yeah.
EOJ website,
EOJ
and
Yes.
website.
you're going to go to query.
Yes.
Something another query. You have query if you're still on it. And you have
If
put
I
in your
find to find
name
in your name and the voters,
and
if
your
you're
date
on the
of birth.
voters list
You're going to
still,
put in your name and your date of birth and check if
or
you're
the
still
ID
on the list.
number.
I know the last
No,
election mine was
hold
on
on.
because my sister
You
called me
don't,
and told me that it's still on.
you don't
So I
put
know
in
it's
the
still.
ID number. You just put in your name and your date of birth and it will come up.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope I'm going to ask a question, huh?
Okay. Kay, is there anything else more you want to say? This one?
No, it's just that I just want to say that these lies that these people are telling, it's been from generation to generation. They had nothing new, and they're not gonna
Right.
come up with nothing new. So
So,
let's not worry about them and focus on what's best for Jamaica, and that's choosing
right.
Jamaica.
Okay.
Because this is
If
the
you
whole
want to
thing
know
they
if
keep
Mark
on.
Golding take us for joke and fool, just watch when I'm live and just look at him. Look at his body language when he's talking. He's not
Yeah, me
serious
tell you,
about nothing.
when this man said cutting ribbons,
Yeah.
everywhere you go in the world, ribbons are cutting. We're cutting
Yeah.
ribbons to tie in our kids here, right?
Mhm.
What is he talking about?
That's the
No,
biggest,
but
the
me see
biggest
my cut ribbon.
statement
Me
he
see
ever
him there
made.
cut ribbon at the jail then. When I open the hospital, him there, they cut ribbon said Christopher Tufton.
But listen to me, even if him never cut a ribbon, cutting a ribbon is progress, is good. They, how can you make a statement criticizing cutting ribbons, brother?
Thank you.
I
That's
just
Thank you,
guess
sir.
he's gonna
ludicrous
cheer
and
up
the
somebody like
stupidest
that.
thing he ever could have said.
All right.
Just like
Do
when
you
you
guys
say
remember? Do you guys remember when we tie ribbons in our kids here to go to school? How beautiful they look.
Me I tell
Ah,
you,
him can't cut a
Okay.
ribbon enough. His son him get. So
I
he
that
can't cut a
hurt
ribbon.
him. I that hurt him trying to him I cut the ribbon them.
He
Cause me
can't
never
cut
know
a
if
ribbon
somebody
in
could
the
have
yard.
criticized cutting ribbons.
Yeah.
But we all cut ribbons, right? Mom and dad in
Yeah.
Jamaica, we all cut ribbons.
Not there.
To put in our kids'
Anytime a
ear.
ribbon been cut, it signify good thing. Ribbon no cut for fuckery. Ribbon no cut for
Okay.
foolishness. Ribbon cut for strictly good
Anyway,
things.
I just got to say hi and I hear you guys, and I'm gonna watch you guys from here, so you guys can take me down. I'm at work, but I have to jump in to tell you guys. Trust me, it takes me. My daughter laughed at me when I came to Jamaica, and I was worried to get to Kingston. She like, Mom,
Look,
this is not what Jamaica that you leave here. We're gonna get there on
look,
time.
at the same thing with me for the last 2 years. I don't have a private car that take me to the airport. And my flight is always between 10:30 and 11 o'clock. Every time we get up and catch a taxi and reach a town and catch my flight. I even get time to eat breakfast upstairs before me fly out.
That's
All right.
To
Thank
show
you.
you the changes.
all right.
First time you would have to hire a car and make sure the car that reach there by 5 o'clock. We leave out, we
You can
catch
take me
a
down.
11 o'clock flight.
All right. Thank you so much, Kay, for your contribution. All right. Hope you
Okay.
get through with your documents to go and vote. Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Melvin, good morning. Melvin? 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 He probably, guys, we have 111 person. If you're undecided voter or you're a first time voter, send us a request, all right? Melvin,
Hello?
good morning.
Nah, yo, man.
Melvin, we're hearing you. Good morning.
Unmute your
Hello?
mic.
I'm hearing you, Melvin. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Not too bad.
Okay, are you on the British man team or the Jamaican man team?
What a question.
That's a very big question. What
A question.
A man like Melvin who live at Central St. Mary could have never been nothing but labor right.
Okay, thank you. So tell us about summer. Tell us, guys, 1 second, please. What happened to him? He gone? Guys, we want to hear from these people what's going on in their community. Melvin, send us back a request. He's from St. Mary. I really want to hear what's going on in St. Mary. Send us back a request. Melvin.
Okay.
If you're a first-time voter, undecided voter, you're caught up in the PNP lies, send us a request. All right, let's reason. Melvin, send us a request. We want to hear what's going on in St. Mary.
What buckle me have to sell on the PNP government, or even time mother wrap up the buckle them give me. And put in my shop. I can't even put the buckle in my front. I have to make who have their money first buy.
Oh, that was on the PJ or Manly?
Manly.
PJ Patterson.
And Manly too. I was in Manly time. I was in Manly time anyway. I have little of the money and
Hey, you remember one time quart back used to sell when the quart brother with the car used to come on and buy a quart back we live all downtown. That I rum quart them, you know. Because some people never sell quart back, you know.
Remember that.
Them sell, you know. They sell quart back, you know.
Remember that.
Me
Okay.
sell
All right.
quart back, you know.
All right, let's welcome Melvin back, guys. Melvin, welcome back.
Yeah, well, thank you.
All right, so
Yeah.
you're from St. Mary, right?
Yes, St. Mary
And you're
Central.
living in St. Mary right now.
Yeah.
All right, tell us what's going on in St. Mary.
You know, right now, me driving come from, me live at one place where named Comsey. And right now, me a drive come from, you know, me have to drive go where Galena, I have to go catch water. Galena, me a driver come from, cause which part we live, not even road, not even pipeline. Me don't know how for me car manage on them road there. You understand? And it's like, a 53 years now, PNP in a power central St. Mary and like them have done nothing for us.
Yeah.
When me say nothing, me mean nothing. I'm going to give you the full story of everything.
Give it to us.
Me born in a PNP house. My mother a PNP, my father a PNP, and me not gonna lie to you, the first vote me vote for a wicked man who then called PJ Patterson when he come as the Fresh Prince.
Yeah.
And my smaller brother wasn't there and called me and said to me, say, brother, me don't know say you're ungrateful. So me say, what you mean by ungrateful? The man say, me see you vote for PNP. So me say, you don't know that everybody up here vote for him and say, nobody up here have nothing. Miss, I can't tell you, this is the worst thing you have at one place named Islington. You want to see the road them.
Yeah.
You want to see the road them. What my brother tell me, say, I go down one place near Albany and in car drop down on patrol and one truck drive over here because truck man couldn't see no patrol did. I first never hear that in our history. Central St. Mary have some of the worst road. And me say, Thursday them car, me don't even know what they chaka brother them, but then call Mark Golden come up there. So me still I wonder what these people want. You know, see it, Central St. Mary is one of the worst places. No road, no water, nothing like them thing there.
And Melvin, I have one question for you. You have always lived in St. Mary?
Me born at St. Mary from 1974.
And tell us how long PNP had St. Mary for.
PNP in a power from Whitcliffe Martin Lewis 1972, my grandfather tell me. I'm born 1974, I'm born come see PNP in a power Central St. Mary. Never change, never do nothing. But when me learn, my grandfather tell me about a man named Horace Clark. When Horace Clark has stepped down and tell the coming MP say, if you want to stay in a power Central St. Mary, don't do nothing at all. Because Central St. Mary people don't want none. If you fix a road, they're going to vote you out. So, that is it. A girl in me come from nearly 5. Me have to go through Port Maria and go a girl in and go catch water if come back on my yard. And PNP I rule that's for 53 years. Then me could I take up myself and bow me a PNP?
Mad.
A Maraj, me a vote for. Me vote for Lennon Richards. Me try everything for PNP win, yes, and we never win it. And me not give up because I know this time we are going to win.
Okay.
And me can't tell people, me don't care what people want to say, no, from me born the greatest prime minister, me ever see Andrew Holness.
Say that again. Say it again,
The
Lord.
greatest prime minister me ever see from me born Andrew Holness.
The most,
Melvin,
the most
Honorable Dr. Andrew Holness.
can you tell us
Thank you.
why you make that statement? Tell us why.
Okay, I'm going to tell you why I made that statement. From I born, I never see a prime minister pay people to go and learn a skill for them own good. I never see a prime minister make so much road. I never see so much high-rising building in all my life. And when you ask PNP about this country, them going way back to Michael Manley, when me not even know which part of the pitney I go tell about Michael Manley. I only him so.
Him legacy dead.
You can't. But me don't know what kind of legacy Michael Manley have more than me. So when he give people house, he give them a one-room board house with a pit tile it out. I do one Holness give a concrete house with air condition.
But a food for the poor was them then. I know Manley house. A food for the poor.
All right. You see me? So me to tell you the honest truth, me live a Central St. Mary, born council Central St. Mary rule under PNP, and nothing never good. Not a training center no there. Me can't tell you from A to Z. There's nothing here. I mean, I'm still see people put on them clothes and say them a PNP.
Me see if you have to.
Me ask a lady, me say, why you vote for PNP? Or why you want to see PNP come back in the country? The big woman where all I'm going to tell me, say, all me want to do is win. All PNP need to do is win. Me say, why PNP need to win? All we need to do is win.
So when people there, half a tree, man. Half a tree people them there. Oh no, you circle people them there.
Thursday when Mark Golden come at Islington, me I talk to one big brother.
Guys, 1 second, guys. 1 second.
I say, look on the road that we have over the years. You know what the man look on me and tell me, say, the road them now go get better because PNP I go win again. So I say, you really tell me that say the road them now go better because PNP I go win again. And I hear the man say.
Okay.
So miss, and all the Labour family, I could never ever out of my wildest, if me can't tell you this, you know, right now if me sick and I got dead, and them say me vote for PNP, me I go stay alive, I rather dead as me sit down here, so.
And Melvin, I have one more question for you. How old are you? If you don't
Me a
mind me asking.
50-year-old, I go, the 16th of June I come, me a 51-year-old. So
Okay.
me and a baby, and me not tell you nothing, me not know.
Okay, so it's something you live. You live through
That's
that.
something me live.
Okay. All right. I have one more question for you. What you're doing on the ground to help Andrew Holness to secure the third term?
Listen this now, auntie, let me tell you this. Me run taxi. And from a drive out a morning time, me a campaign till me come in back.
Okay, that's what we need. That's what we need.
Me
Okay, great job.
Me uncle labor right to run taxi and my labor right clothes. Cause me say, who no one come now if you come, cause prosperity, me say. Lady, me ignorant when they come to labor right.
I have the same views like him in St. Thomas, you know, cause I voted when I was 18.
1 second, Marcia. Let me finish with him and then you can come in. Go ahead, Melvin. Are you finished?
Yeah, me say, when it come to labor right, one time when my sister called me and say, Star, how will Andrew Holness do to you? Me say, my sister, me have to do everything for Andrew Holness come in a power. Me can't make the country go back to 30 years. All this little frownsy man we talk about, man, I run around a cut ribbon and I can talk about so-called opening a urban center. A ambition in have a shame in shame.
Plus instead a representative go out there again. That's a shame.
I go tell about how I send Dr. Fenton Ferguson to represent me at that so-called. Me say I want to shoot me and know him and shoot, you see?
And how the Dr. Fenton Ferguson come from Tina?
All him not no ambition neither. Because I'm glad.
All right.
One time when me about St. Thomas I grow, all me about a hobby. And the young thing they say come from St. Thomas a East Indian mango. Me have one bridge that live up at St. Thomas up one place named Barking Lodge. And when me go up there, me I say, hey, right now me I go down back in the car, nothing up here, so. When I see a Gram Smog and lift me hat to the Prime Minister, you could have want more than that.
Trust me, brother.
All right. Thank you so much, Melvin. All right. Continue doing the great work. All right. We need all
All
of
right,
you.
and all of my
continue
family,
spreading the
all
good
my
news.
Labour right family, have a good day, same to you.
All right. Thank you.
And I will keep listening to your program.
All right. Thank you so much. It was
All
a pleasure
right.
having you. All right. Marcia, go ahead. You wanted to say something?
Yes. I said I grew up in St. Thomas too all my life. And the road up there was in when Fenton Ferguson was there for 22 years. Nothing has ever been done.
Okay.
All who come on the way I run now and I said this and that, they were Labour government and they used Labour right and they used to say there was the MP and they never do anything. Now Michelle has come and she's doing a great, she's spending the money that the government gave her to spend. Call it that. What she get to spend, she has spent it and she do what she fi do. Me give her the thumbs up and that. And I since Labour power because when I
When you say Michelle, you say classy Michelle. To make more make them know. Classy Michelle.
MP's classy and she's very pretty. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, and as I'm saying,
Marcia, can I say something quickly? When Mark Golden made that statement towards Michelle, I think that statement was made to all Black Jamaican women because I took
Jamaica,
yes, all.
in the world, not only she, all of us.
All of us.
All
Me
of
too.
Yeah.
Barry, I see you in the comment and you're very busy. Send us a comment because send us a request to come in the box. Let's reason because you're very busy in the chat.
I remember.
Obama
was coming here, but somebody was coming, and that's when Senator Ferguson used the money and patch Rampton coming into. I mean, patch. The patch was never even done properly. As in 2 minutes, it pop up back. And now I can say I was going. It was first time when the road fixed. I made a town for a long while. I'm here at St. Thomas. So when I reach Albion, I'm like, yeah, where am I? So I said, driver off, where we there? So I said, we reached already? I said, were you there? I said, how long time I not come up here? I didn't know where I was.
Yeah.
That's under Labour government. And I lived there under PMP government for years.
Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you for that, Marcia.
I just said Thomas once here. I just said Thomas all over the island.
Demario, 1 minute, please. Jamin.
Hello.
Jamin, good morning.
Morning.
Are you on the British man team or the Jamaican man team? State your
Well,
case.
you know, I was just about to text something to you to say that I think you should cut that bit out because when it comes to the man team, you see.
All right, good night. Damio, go ahead, continue. Go ahead, Demario.
No, Chris, you should listen to him a little further.
What he was saying is because
No, it's either you're on the British man team or the Jamaican man team. It is what it is. Go ahead, Mario.
Yeah, me I said Thomas is just not. It's only that St. Thomas is all over the island. It's just that St. Thomas get more attention than certain part of the parish, the country. Yeah. But it's all over the island because we're St. Thomas get the urban centers and road. And police are getting water and road.
Yeah.
Also, so I 14 parish things happen there, they just St. Thomas.
14
too far back St. Thomas did there in a civilization, and that's why it have to get the highlight there.
Yeah, you have to push out past St. Thomas to try bring him up to speed.
But I see a thing with Westmoreland and Hanover right now, and I'm sure when this man take the third term at this or next crazy development.
Yeah, I want a little history for share with you about the PMP people. Them. I want a little history because I'm going to go away after that for share with you. So when you're ready, I'm going to go.
Do you think?
Go ahead, Andrew.
All right. Me's a farmer. I'm traveling the farmer program for 3 years. As I tell you, I vote for PMP already. The PMP counselor what I have done here. Too close me with that man. That man is one of my son, Godfather upon paper. And I heard him out. Godfather.
Yeah.
2017. Them want some man to go and go chop cane. Cause the blood don't go further. And when me hear and call him, it's a big boss. Me say something go on, you know. Boy, I look at cane blood down and ray. There are about 500 man go and go chop cane. Yeah, the man said to me, the man said, "Chew him no say, me not chop cane. That's why he not tell me." That's why he not tell me. And me tell you today I run back at this man like a tail. This man is my son, Godfather upon paper, you know. And me see me switch and go to the Labour right, the progressive people them. And Labour right send me go and foreign go chop cane for 3 years. Me come back and go to embassy and get the whole of my wife and put in them visa. 10-year visa with me. So that is progress. You understand?
Andre, you know, some more people are get visa under this administration than ever before.
What you mean? 90% of the farmer can them tell you say, especially from St. Thomas, when we dep on camp, 70% of who the bank camp come from St. Thomas. And then tell me say them a PMP, but a labor right, send them come a foreign. Me not ask you that. Them say they are PMP, they grew up in PMP yard, but a labor right, send them come a foreign.
That happen for people more right now.
So labor right wants
Alright,
people.
you know why next thing was
Progress.
You know why next thing was change, my boss? You know why next thing will change? Young people used to have a way for inheritance. Right now, young people are on everything now. I'm not talking about scammer. I'm talking about young people. People are work. I want things now more than back then. Because young people are on house, car, everything where you think. Well, inheritance used to run then.
You know, see young people feed their hog and cow on KFC. You know, see man on Facebook I feed cow and hog on KFC chicken right now.
Okay, guys. Are you guys? Oh, continue. I didn't notice you guys were saying something. Go ahead. No, go ahead. I didn't realize. Continue.
People, I live in a country right about. I live in Spain. You can't tell us. If people know Spanish Town, if you never come to Spanish Town for 10 years, and you come back to Spanish Town, right, and you can't believe I see Spanish Town. Because they used to have a whole heap of wasteland in and around Spanish Town. That they no more. Everywhere you look, something that go up on the wasteland. Everywhere you look.
Yeah, man.
In and around Spanish Town. And that's going on right now.
Okay.
Come on.
All right, guys. If anyone listening on this chat, if you're a first-time voter or you're undecided voter, send us a request. Okay. Go ahead, Sam.
All right. Me I go come off of the live. I'm ask you to take me off because me say one of my neighbor pass off and me go look, give a look. Look, go on. So give somebody my space because people out there want to join. So it was a pleasure talking to you guys, and I would like to join you one other day. And
man.
Keep up the good work for the prosperity team.
Thank you, Andre. So sorry about that. Condolences.
Okay.
Yeah,
man, I wanna people, you know. So now go check in.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
For your support.
Yeah, man. Respect. Manners and respect again.
All the best, Andre. Thank you. Barry, send a request because you're busy in the comment. Come up here. Let me see if you're man or woman. Come up in the chat. Send a request, Barry. Barry, busy. Barry Garden, send a request. Let's reason. I can't reason with you in the comment like that.
Barry, where am I? Oh.
Barry, send a request. Be brave and come up.
Jamming, we take off earlier.
Huh?
I see Jamming and Clive Gisland.
Yeah, Jamin don't agree with me. Barry, send a request. Let's reason, Barry. All right, go ahead. Who's it? Sam or Classic? Anyone? You guys can talk.
Yeah, and may I say, me remember the days when people couldn't even buy toilet paper. People have here buy cooking oil in a bag. Have 1 pound of flour. Remember them the days there we eat mango, we glad when mango season come around. And now me see people at shop a supermarket or reach around in my community. We tell you. When not even taxi never used to run. So I don't know where people are talking about PMP about. I don't know. If you want that, we did live.
Where's that?
More business more business. We want more island wide across this country more than ever.
Me I tell you.
Right. So, things can go on and more business are open every day.
Go ahead. At the same thing question I want to ask them. How you can explain to me say a country is stagnant or going backward according to them, but at the same time which business people up in business in a stagnant country and a country that is going backward? Me want to explain that to me. How can
look on this.
think we invest in a country that is going back way or is stagnant. That's foolishness. Foolish
Let's hear from
argument.
Clive, guys. Clive, good morning.
Let me just say something, Kerry.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, one time, me also see people who could have got pick up the courier service at Kingston. Online shopping. Zane, at Kingston. Right now, at Spanish Town, we can find you to more than 5 online places where you can go pick up package.
Yeah.
Just in Spanish Town.
You're lucky they are St. Elizabeth where me live. So I'm waiting for them too. But 3 of them in a junction town alone.
If things there that go on, oh, people are opening up business and that more no.
That me want them to tell me too. Anyhow.
Not now go on. That's something I go on. That's something going on.
True, me done.
A PMP go on with nothing, you know. But something going on prosperity.
Clive, good morning, Clive. Clive, good morning. Are you on the British team or the Jamaican team? Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You okay now? Thank God for life. Thank God for strength. Maybe I get the strength. And God will bless with. And push it through. Yeah. It's not the other tell her to take me up, sir.
Huh?
You don't feel I'm a real labor right now. What that me I talk about. You must know this name everywhere. Every platform is a name of them.
Okay. Which parish are you from? Which constituency are you from?
One Terrelong, man.
Okay, how things looking over there?
One bicycle Terrelong.
Okay, how things looking over
there? Yeah, man. If anybody say nothing, I'm going to lie them tell. I the only government to me say, everywhere is one business place I belong. Could have one small business place. Could have one cook shop. Alright, you can come out of your house right now and you can go to a road. If you want one jeans to buy, you can get it to buy. You understand it? So how nothing go on. The business are put up so much. Small people business. You understand it? The small people business are put up so much. You understand it? People will stop ungrateful, man. People will stop ungrateful. Yeah, man. The truth. Only we can tell the people themselves, please, I beg them, the human rate. You understand? I'm talk to them, I make a file. If I know say you go up on my thing and view my thing, and so me I tell the people. You see? Yeah. The program is me I tell the people. Try look at them thing and go and get the vote, because the vote count. You see?
That's where you come in. You doing that on the ground?
You understand? You understand? Yeah. So the people have to try for do. You see? If them want a good leader for deal with her, look on this now. The man, this lady, get her house. I want she to talk. I want her to drop out of the one woman just drop. She don't know she drop on the desk. You see the old woman feel good. So people don't see them something there. People don't see them something there.
They must say 1 year them. They must say 1 year them at water.
No, I don't love that. I don't love that. It's not it. I'm the best prime minister. Best prime minister. Different. I'm sure it's from. I'll show it start from. Come back and go back in a Siago. It's not it. Yeah. I go back. The young people days come up. The best prime minister. A Bruce. We not get it. It's not it. And him fight him. It's not it. Yeah. It come changing a lot of things, Bruce, anything, You see, I can't tell her that, and talk, Bruce come change a lot of things, It's not it. Tell her Bruce, though. Bruce, not do the alright to them. Bruce, do the small people, them come. Small people, them not try to watch, Him find out what the man say him go public. And when he go public, I saw public pack up. He said, we have to pay your money. You understand? The man said, no, sir. And when you look at garden and see much people sick, he said it and can't go to a hospital. And the man can change that. He said them fight him, they feel like them fight labor, they don't fight labor. They make labor better. Because them say no number one come now. The number one is a move. So not time if you want to say, I wonder if you have time for your wife. I wonder if you have time for your family. No, because him have time for Jamaica more. Jamaican more. This are the more than in family when deal with. Every day the man up on the road, you know. Every day on a same stay. 5 or 6 or same stay. Him stay said where him school, head boy at school, same stay. This are it. It's a man who's a down to earth man. This are the understand about poor people thing. You understand it? So rich people love him, poor people love him. You understand it? This are the man of the future, because you're the man of the now. The man try to build a country. Me say, your grandpitney can live off it. Is that it? And your pitney can live off it. That's the way I see it. Oh, I build a country. Is that it? You know, build nothing without today alone, all right? Listen to him now. Listen to him now. Listen to him now.
Build a lot of houses for rich people.
Watch now. Me tell him now. He goes up now. He goes up and say, watch now. Me now catch a fish and gear, you know. Because you eat it off and you have a shit out that. What do you mean? I don't know. Now get a fishing line. You see there, I'm going to get a fishing line. You try help our next one, buy a fishing line for him to, and give him. And I saw the strength come on. And the strength ever come on, come straight up. He said, that's so what go on. You understand it? Because you have to do it. He said, you know, answer and give you. You're very full today. And tomorrow you're hungry. He said this. So he said, you're hungry tomorrow, and make you and give what you got to do. You got thief. Don't? He said, you got thief, you know. He said, you get back hungry again. And you know, so I'm not give you no more. You got belly full you want. So watch out, we give you a starter. We try to give you a starter. Watch out. One look you come by. Come by some clothes on me last night. He said, and I see me in a hard shot. And I say, where go on? How to go? And the man say, yeah, man. He said, and I say, how to go on? He must say, you know, say, get one piece of money. And I say, I want to buy some little things to bush. I say, I love that man. I say, you see, it's so the government do. He said, you could buy 1 2 guns for me. He said, so much next one ever get that money now I spend with other people. He said it. So he drop on the shoulder, and the future the man again. He said it. So them for rate him. Because he's a #1. And then can't say, everywhere the man go, the people love the man. Everywhere they go, everywhere the man go. Me no see, every time you see the man, me see crowd on the man. Every time you see the man, you crowd on the man. So the man say, the man don't go away now. People, yo, I tell you something. They say if they love that man one more time, him full of sugar. Sugar left to cover him. Now tell her that.
I would say, can me to in a car. He said, that be a good man.
You understand? So, you don't respect the man. It's not it. Don't respect the honorable man. It's not it. Man, full man. You understand? Watch now. Watch the program now. It's the Portmore. Them in a build one park over there. That's our next side. See? And the man come and say, nah, work out right. And the man come and change the program. Boy, see the park with them a build. So open up. Boy, see the park with them a build. You want people going to imply by that park. Eh? A skyscraper building over there too, you know. This is the skyscraper. I'm not going to go for the page and see it. This is the skyscraper.
I'd carry.
You say you want people get implied by that. You want people get implied by that. These are the people who survive out of that. These are the you can go to relax, eat ice cream. These are they play a tennis court. You play netball, anything you want to do. These are a park, but it's different. Like a one plaza. Because some skyscraper building. You understand? The amount of people. And that's so open up. So you need an urban center that will open up again. So they're more dead again. Yeah. So
Clive, I have one question for you. Clive, what you doing on the ground to help Andrew Holness to win this third term?
You know, you tell her why. That's seriously right. You tell her why. We say the people them something humor rate and do them thing.
Oh, okay, I missed that. Okay, that's great.
Instead of when I talk about words, you tell the crowd to work out.
True, that's true.
I tell you like I'm saying now. I tell you like I'm saying now. Is that it? Bicycle tell you like you know. I mean, no reason me celebrate you know. Me know reason. I don't want to explain my thing. Me know why me celebrate.
Okay.
You understand?
All right. Thank you, Clive. Let me hear from Jolly. Good morning.
Yeah.
Jolly. Jolly.
That's a bit of information for Clive. Improvement works is coming to the Maypen market. You wanna know what that means?
You know, one classic there, man.
Yeah, man, may I tell you, say one upgrader come to the Maypen market. You wanna know what that means?
Yeah. I can't make confirm to you.
Sparling's market, I get an upgrade too.
Yeah.
All right. New sugar factory I got build adjacent to the Monimous factory. Groundbreaking will take place next month.
Yeah.
Upgrade is coming to the Maypen Hospital. A brand new 3-story building is coming. Currently, the Moko police station is getting Moko is getting a brand new police station. NHT is getting a brand new building on Manchester Avenue. National Irrigation is getting a brand new building. The clinic, the bus park should move, and by September they should be starting a brand new $1 billion facility. Moko will be getting a brand new health center or upgraded health center that will look similar to the one in Old Harbour. So if you see the drawing for Old Harbour, you will understand what Maypen will be getting. So we'll go and go in a Clarendon. Real good people.
Yeah, for real. You never stop spread program up on the man. You wanna do so much.
I really all of them to come through.
You wanna do so much.
The people they want to stop.
Guys, 1 second. Jamin, good morning, Jamin.
Hello, me again.
My big laborite friend Jamin, good morning. What's up?
So why you push me? I think I was talking nonsense just now.
Really? They did? So sorry. What's up?
All I was trying to say, you see, when you talk about you're the British boys.
Jamie, leave that, please. Leave that. It's just entertainment on politics. It's not that serious. Leave that. How you doing, Jamie?
But all I'm trying to say to you that, you see, us in England, for instance, we don't talk about, because we do like the boys to be told that we're the boys club. You know what I mean?
Jamie, what's up? You ready? You ready for the third term, Jamie?
One time.
Okay, that's good.
From Liberate one election in 2024. I was ready the very next day. I spoke to my MP about that. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
That we do not need to get lackadaisical. We need to start work from straight away. Just like how the PMP were working from the other day of the election. That's how we should be working.
So how we working now? How you think we working now?
Well, we're working now, and you know, but I must be honest with you that we're a little bit late, but not late to win.
I don't think so. I don't think really.
But not late to win. But a lot of propaganda, and what we need to do is to educate the people and let them know that all this propaganda has been spread by Mark Golding. I listened to him the other night in St. Mary, talking to some people in a town hall meeting. Trust me, that man is such a damn liar. It's unbelievable when he just slandered the Prime Minister about the 20th account and try to justify it to these little people and listen to him. It's so horrible that this man could leave away from England and come to our little Jamaica and just try to rape our country again, or what they call it, grape it again. You know what I mean? It's horrible. But I am surprised that Jamaica really going down that drain where them even considering voting for him.
I'm surprised myself.
Are we going back in time? Jesus Christ. This must be the worst nightmare ever happened to me in my life. Even just to dream about this man becoming the Prime Minister.
Jamie, it won't be a nightmare, you know, because let me tell you something. We have more smart people in Jamaica than the little foolish ones running around. So Andrew Holness will win this third term. He will. So it won't be a nightmare.
I wanted to win by a big majority.
He will. There's a lot of surprise coming in this election in favor of the JLP team. Poll, I don't focus on that too much. I'm looking at the work.
I don't think he can do a poll lately.
Well, to be honest with you personally, I think they've done one. But because it's not healthy, they're not broadcasting it.
Oh, well, yes. Let me retract a minute. Maybe they done one. No, I don't hear of any published.
I don't see any reason why a sensible thinking Mark Gordon or any sensible thinking PNP wouldn't have gone out to have their own independent poll done.
Something in the works. Something in the works. But I just didn't hear anything.
Well, okay. We'll wait and see, yeah?
Yeah, I want baptize some
A landslide, me did want to do a landslide. Wipe out the whole of them, cause I can't stand none of the PNP MP.
That's what I'm saying, madam. I'm surprised at our people.
Yes, yeah.
Surprised at what? The recent poll that came out?
He's saying he's surprised that people even consider thinking about Mark Golding.
Right.
Yes, I am shocked. I'm surprised.
I mean, they should have refused him from the first time. Me said that too, because he doesn't like us. He don't respect us.
But the whole thing about it is your
But then you have to always remember, just like how we have Labour right who will never switch to PNP, you have PNP who will never switch to Labour. So you always have some opponent, did it? They're not going to just pipe away just like that.
Four people run the PNP and after me vote for me, then win, then just lose.